Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful chicken starter recipe. We're going to make this delicious and juicy shredded chicken with chili sauce. Let's get started and check it out. First we're going to cook the chicken breasts. To a pot I've taken about 750 ml of water. I'm just going to add a few ingredients to the pot. To the pot I'm adding a large piece of ginger that's been thinly sliced. Next I'm adding a few cloves. So we're just going to add a lot of flavor to this stock. Next I'm adding a few spring onions with the stock. To this I'm adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. We're going to bring the water to a nice boil. We're going to infuse the flavors of ginger, clove and the onions into the stock. For this recipe I've taken 2 large chicken breast pieces. So I'm going to add the whole piece into the pot of water. Now you don't want to overcook the chicken breast. It cooks pretty fast, so keeping the flame on a high. Cook the chicken for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the stove. I'm just going to remove the cooked chicken breast from the pot and I'm just going to place it on a plate to cool it completely. You need to retain the stock because we're going to use some of the stock to make the sauce. So now we're going to make the sauce that goes on top of the shredded chicken pieces. To a bowl, add a few chopped spring onion greens. I'm adding 2 small red chilies chopped. So these are the Thai bird eye chilies. If these are not available for you, you can use any red chili that's available for you. Make sure they are fresh red chilies. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. So next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hot sesame oil. Next I'm adding 1 small teaspoon of chili paste along with a little bit of oil. Next add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, half teaspoon sugar and 1 small cup of the prepared chicken stock. Just look at that beautiful sauce. Just mix it well so you can taste it, and if you do need to add a little salt or pepper, you can add it. I'm just adding a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. The sauce is absolutely gorgeous. Flavors are just amazing. It's such a simple, beautiful sauce. The sauce is done, keep it aside. So just shred the chicken breast. You can see how soft the chicken breast is. It's cooked perfectly. So you don't want to overcook it. I know many of you all don't prefer eating chicken breast because it can be very dry or insipid or chalky. But you can enjoy the chicken breast. If you cook it perfectly, this is a nice way to enjoy the chicken breast. Let's assemble the dish. Next we need to arrange the shredded chicken pieces onto a plate. Now gently pour the prepared sauce over the shredded chicken. Pieces will instantly soak up all that beautiful juice and it's going to add a lot of flavor to the chicken. It will be so moist and juicy and so flavorful in every bite. I'm just garnishing it with a few sesame seeds and some chopped red chili. If this dish made you drool, then let me know in the comment section how you will enjoy this dish. As is, with rice or with noodles. You can see the chicken pieces are so juicy, it's absorbed the beautiful sauce and it's so soft and moist. This is a wonderful way to enjoy the chicken breast. The dish looks so beautiful and so colorful. And the taste is just incredible. Well, time to enjoy this yummy, spicy, juicy chicken. Amazing! The chicken has absorbed all those beautiful flavors from the sauce. It's so juicy, it's literally melting in my mouth. Incredibly delicious. If you're bored eating the same old chicken recipes, try this one. I'm sure you're going to absolutely love and enjoy it. It makes for a wonderful starter. You can eat it as is, or you can mix it with a little bit of steamed rice or fried rice and enjoy it. Do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.